I'm a furniture maker in Canberra, and I have a traditional Japanese woodworking background. So I came to run some Japanese joinery making workshop. My highlight of the festival is being presenting this wooden culture of Japanese woodwork and Japanese traditional joinery. It's just a heartwarming exchange. This is my first time coming to Hobart. Every time it's just grew bigger and bigger for me. It's beautiful. What we achieved here, especially a kids workshop with a Kumundar, is quite special. We are leaving that Kumundar kit, and so now Hobart has this amazing wooden jungle gym to play with. So I hope we can continue helping developing this interaction between kids and timber. Just really happy if we can come back and be part of this fantastic festival again. It will be wonderful. Yeah.